Alright, my dear. So today I got a topic that is why we use simplex method over graphical method. Well, this is one of the most important topic in operation research, right? So probably you have heard about this topic. Now, what simplex method and graphical method? If you start studying about simplex method, about operation research, then probably you know or you are aware about simplex and graphical method. So what happened, we start studying with graphical method, right? So why we do that? That is basic, and the extension version of the graphical method is simplex method. Then we also do study BGM method, dual simplex, transportation assignment. Well, all those things we studied in operation research. But question I got here, why we use simplex method over graphical method? Well, if we wanted to solve a question x1 to x1 less than equal to 90, if we have constant like this and there would be only two variables, then we can easily solve question by using graphical method. If number of variables like x1 and x2 will be more than 2, in that case we cannot solve the question by using graphical method. This is one of the biggest reason behind using simplex method over graphical method, because in graph we can only draw a line if we have two variables, because there is only like this x-axis and y-axis. So this is one of the biggest reason behind we have a simplex method, although simplex method is much more laborious than graphical method. But if we have given two variables only in the constants equation, then I'll suggest you go for graphical method to find out the solution quite easily and in very less time, and that would be quite you can maintain also accuracy, because in simplex method maintaining accuracy is little bit difficult. You need to do practice, because there are a lot of things you need to follow. Well, maybe you are aware about that because you are watching this video. That means you are having knowledge about it. So this is all about it, why we use simplex method over graphical method. All right, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bye bye.